Well, first, the pain was so severe I was living on Vicodin. I mean, it was really that bad. My arthritis was getting worse. I couldn't move my arm. I was in pain 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even when I slept. I used to catch from when I was 6, 7 years old, so just, I guess the constant throwing back and forth, it just wore my shoulder out. Last year, I was throwing a football. I went to go back to throw it, and my arm would not get up. So that's when I went, had my MRI done, met with Dr. Rust. Dr. Rust talks to you like he's your brother. I mean, he's very warm, very sincere in what he says. After the first week, I met with the physical therapy group at Jewett. I had Jason. He was also amazing. We just started with small little movements just to get the joint moving. And then from there, we progressively over 10, 12 weeks, whatever I was there, got me to full range of motion. It's night and day. I mean, I haven't been able to do this in probably 10 years. I mean, and I knew I had an issue. I couldn't play catch with my son. He'll explain everything to you, give you all your options, and set up a plan that's right for you and your family. I mean, like I said, he was a brother. Yeah, I wouldn't go anywhere else for anything.